What's up guys, it's your girl Seynt here from leseynt.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use that chat function or that chat sticker in your Instagram stories, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you. I make 2 videos a week and I share a lot of how-to videos for Instagram. And if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Alright guys, you're here because you want to learn how to use that chat function within your Instagram stories. So let's dive straight into it. So open up your Instagram app. And I'm sure you guys all know how to access the sticker icon, but in case you forget, I'm just gonna do an example here. Alright, I'm gonna take a photo with my camera and then go up to the sticker icon and then hit that chat sticker. And then you can name the chat. It can be like, let's talk about anything. And then you can even change the color of it with the color wheel on top. And let's just keep it this color for now. And yeah, basically put any topic on there that you want to chat about. Alright, I'm just going to go into my other account and show you what it looks like. And you can open up the story and then I can choose to join chat. And as you can see here, it will say requested. So the other party has to go in and accept my request before I can join the chat. So I'll show you. Well, I'm just going to go back into my other account and show you what it looks like. There, it has been seen, and then I can see the number of requests, and then I'm just going to go ahead and accept it. So now I've started the thread, and I can choose to remove members if I wish. So if you go into that information section there, I can see all the members, I can leave the chat, end the chat, mute the mentions, mute video chat and mute messages. So I can pretty much monitor it. Right now I can't really think of a really good topic to chat about, but and depending on what your hobby is and what your interests are, you can create a chat around there and chat to people who are also keen on that topic. Let me know what you think about this update. And also to note that not everyone has this function. It may take a while for it to roll out to all the accounts, so be mindful of that. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all for me for now, and I will see you on my next video.